Hey there, Matt here. I wanted to introduce you to our mobile scissor lift package. Now, as you may well know, you may need scissor lifts from time to time, and you know how super expensive and sometimes how difficult they are to get. We've created this package so you can actually tow it with your ute. You need towing capacity up to about 3.5 tonne with this particular package. Tow it with your ute, go where you need to go, do your job, put it back, and it'll go, put it in your shed, put it in your garage. The shed's going to be a definite because of the height of it, right? So I'll basically give you a quick rundown so you can see exactly what you get in the package. So customized, fully hot dip galvanized trailer. We make them super heavy duty. You got your 150mm drawbar, which basically means you've got a lot of strength in it. The scissor lift itself, this is our 6.8W. So it's designed to go through narrow gaps, all the specs are on the website, the width, etc. And also the platform height, these numbers means 6 meters for the platform height. So you get up to 6 meters with the platform, okay? It's all electric, comes with your charger, all that sort of stuff. Good quality machine, we'll have a close look at that as you come in. You've got all your chain down points, you've got your safety guard so you can't just drive straight off the front of it by accident, okay? Obviously you don't want to do that. Chain down points here. There's a chain down point in the center if you come through. It's all built specifically for plant trailers, so you can see the chain down point there as well. Your ramps all drop down. We've got two types of ramps, there's this and there's also a checker plate one. So when you get your trailer, you might end up getting one with a checker plate or this. These little stays hold it nice and solid so they can't move around and come back and hit your scissor lift, okay? Another chain down point here. 6 stud axles so you can carry plenty of weight. And overall, a good machine. If you're interested in one of these, it's one of those things that it's like becomes a bit of a no-brainer. If you're paying $300 or $400 a day hiring one of these, and you're doing it even 10 or 20 times a year, it's worth having one for the convenience, the whole thing. You can also obviously hire it out yourself to someone else for the same money and make this investing in one basically free. All the pricing's below. If you want to make contact with us, the contact details are below, 1300 numbers below. Everything's there. It's super easy, roll on and roll off, or drive on, drive off. Extended ramps so they're nice and high so you can get on and off. And hopefully you're interested. Let me know if you want to know more.